So this village market belongs to my wife's niece. I always thought it was pretty cool, all the different things that they have here. She's only been here 6 or 7 years at this store. Quite a remarkable young lady, but it's called Ert and Anam after her 2 sons. They've got a laundromat. She built a coffee shop for her mother. It's closed more than it's open, but she's here today. And they sell everything you could possibly imagine in here. She supplies a lot of the mom and pop street vendors with their cups and lids. We've got rice, fencing. We use these baskets for all sorts of things. Garbage cans, collecting rice. You can never have too much Leo and Chang. She's got a lot of beer and alcohol. Energy drinks, whiskey. You need nails, they've got them in bulk. All sorts of different feed products, fertilizer products. They sell a lot of detergent since they've got the laundromat over there. She seems to stock a lot of that. More fertilizers and weed killers, I think. Things to help your plants grow. People in here buying that stuff almost daily. All that detergent I was telling you about. Alright, that's one section here. They got all your tie downs and things. Take advantage of all usable space here. Get some hammocks hanging up there, bags, tarps, baby diapers, umbrellas. This is the main store she started with. Grocery goods, some shoes, all sorts of things. Noodles, drinks, ice cream. This thing gets a good workout. More ice cream. Got noodles. All sorts of food items over here. Bunch of different sauces. Sugars, rice. And you break it down into smaller bags for some of these people. Pet section. Dog food. I didn't even know this was back here. Cleaning stuff. All sorts of different noodles. No rhyme or reason how they put this in here. You get dishwashing detergent right on top of your mama noodles, and then more detergent below that. Like I said, she sells a lot of detergent. Ooh, hair coloring. Wow. There's your beauty section, I guess, with the Pampers. Tennis shoes, flip-flops. Plastic baggies, cigarettes. Dawn, who's working for her niece while she eats. Looks like your bathroom kind of stuff here. Powders, shampoos, toothpaste. lotions and potions, toothbrushes, bars of soap, bug sprays. Like I said, no rhyme or reason how they put this stuff in here, though some things do seem to be lumped together. A lot of different coffee choices. This is more of a hardware and plumbing side over here. All sorts of plumbing fixtures, valves. Like I said, they sell a little bit of everything here. Light bulbs. People in the village don't have to go far. There's some replacement tires for scooters. I've seen them here changing tires out for people. Chalk lines. The electrical section over here. All sorts of different light bulbs. Things on the floor. More nails and screws. And this whole side here is primarily plumbing stuff. All kinds of sizes, angles. Some hardware for doors, locks, glue guns, you name it, they probably have it here. At least one. Paint thinners, oil for your scooters, their version of WD-40. A little bit of everything, like I said. But it's stacked up pretty high too. Coke guys by here quite regularly dropping off loads. They sell tanks of propane. They actually deliver those too. All sorts of fan belts, welding hood. Not that I've ever seen a Thai person using one. Some fencing. Got tools and things hanging up here. Mops, brooms, scrub brushes. Bottled water for sale. Let's step out here in the back. Flex tubing. More blue pipe. More scooter tires. They seem to use a lot of these around here for their sprinkler systems. Some steel, round and square, angle iron. More blue tubing. This is one of their 2 or 3 stallings that they have here. They use this to deliver products. A lot of the propane gas gets delivered in this, but I've seen them loaded up with beer and take off down the road. All these things hanging up here for sale. There's your Thai brooms and rakes. Looks like she just got a fresh batch in. Oh yeah, there's the guy making the delivery now. I think this is the second time I've seen him here. Got a clothing section over here. Shorts, t-shirts, hats, socks, gloves. Lots of Lay's potato chips. Got a toy section for the kids. They usually sell these things at the first of the month. I think Thai people only get paid once a month. More toys. And what good is a Thai store if it doesn't sell gas out of a whiskey bottle? I mean, there's a pump that you can pay about 1 kilometer that way and get it right out of a pump a little cheaper. And then out on the big road, maybe 2 kilometers from here, is a regular service station that sells all the fuel products. But them Thai guys roll in here every day and buy a bottle. We got trash cans, more cups, Storage containers.
แม่ก็เพิ่งที่ได้2 รอบเด้อ
That's the young lady right there. Cans of beer.
คนหลายเบิ่งนึง
Just a little bit of
อัน
everything.
นั้น
อันโคกขว
What
ด
can
เท่า
I
ไหร่
say?
โคกขวดใหญ่นี่
30
All right. Hope you enjoyed it.